Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about creating and handling forms. Forms play a critical role in web development by enabling users to submit data. In Django, developers utilize the Django form class to create forms. These forms can process both GET and POST requests. For instance, a contact form on a website built with Django would use the Django form class to collect user information and messages, which can then be sent to the website owner upon submission. By understanding how to create and handle forms in Django, developers can enhance user interaction and data collection on their websites efficiently. To create a form in Django, you first define a form class that inherits from forms.form. This class contains form fields defined as class attributes. For instance, to make a basic form with name and email fields, you create a class named myForm that inherits from forms.form. Inside this class, define the fields using forms char field for text input and forms email field for email input, specifying any additional attributes like max length. Real-world scenarios may include creating a registration form or a contact form on a website. When a user submits a form in a Django application, the data is first validated and processed in the view function. To achieve this, the form in the HTML template should utilize the POST method to send the data to the server. For example, in Django, upon receiving a POST request in a view function, a form instance is created with the data from the request. If the form is valid based on defined validation rules, the clean data can be accessed and processed accordingly. In the provided example, the name and email fields are extracted from the form's clean data for processing. This demonstrates a common workflow where form data is validated, extracted, and utilized within a Django view function for further processing or to render a response, such as displaying validation errors or redirecting the user to a different page based on the processing outcome. Creating and handling forms is like filling out a job application in real life. Just like how you need to provide necessary information and follow the format in a job application, forms in a program require input from the user and adherence to the specified fields. Handling forms efficiently is similar to organizing and submitting the necessary documents for a job application process. Ensuring data accuracy and completeness in a form is akin to double-checking and proofreading your job application before. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning 24/7 support and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. Submitting it to the employer. When developing in Django, handling forms is an essential aspect of user interaction and data collection. Being able to manage forms effectively can greatly enhance user experience and data collection in a web application. Let's dive into the technical aspect of creating and managing forms in Django with the following steps. 1. To begin, create a Django project and an app to encapsulate the form-related functionality. 2. Define a model in the app's models.py file to represent the structure of the data to be collected via the form. 3. Create a form class in the forms.py file of the app, which defines the form fields and handles form validation and data processing. 4. Implement views in the views.py file of the app to handle form rendering, submission, validation, and data storage. 5. Develop a template in the app's templates directory to visually render the form and provide a user-friendly interface for interacting with it. 6. Configure URL routing in the app's urls.py file to map specific URLs to the corresponding view functions that handle form-related operations. 7. Include the app's URLs in the main urls.py file of the Django project to ensure proper routing and access to the form functionalities. 8. Finally, run the Django Development server and navigate to the designated URL to interact with the form, submit test data, and observe the form handling process in action. By following these steps, you can successfully create and manage forms in a Django application, enabling seamless user interaction and efficient data collection. The ability to handle forms effectively is crucial for various real-world scenarios, such as job application submissions, contact forms, feedback collection, and more. Mastering form creation and management in Django can significantly enhance the functionality and user experience of web applications. Creating and handling forms is crucial not only in web development, but also in various industries across the globe. Let's take a look at two real-world examples where creating and handling forms are vital. 1. Healthcare industry. In the healthcare sector, forms play a significant role in patient data collection, medical history documentation, and consent forms. For instance, when a patient visits a healthcare facility for the first time, they are required to fill out a patient registration form, which includes personal information, medical history, insurance details, etc. These forms are crucial for healthcare providers to have a comprehensive understanding of the patient's health condition and provide appropriate care. Handling these forms securely and efficiently is essential for maintaining accurate patient records and ensuring regulatory compliance. 2. Human resources, HR departments. HR departments in organizations frequently deal with various forms related to employee onboarding, performance evaluations, leave requests, and disciplinary actions. Creating electronic forms for these processes streamlines the workflow, reduces paperwork, and ensures data accuracy. For example, an organization may use forms for new employee hiring, where individuals provide their personal details, educational qualifications, work experience, and sign various agreements. Properly handling these forms ensures that the HR department can process the information efficiently, maintain records, and adhere to relevant labor laws and regulations. In both these examples, creating and handling forms efficiently streamline processes, improve data accuracy, and enhance user experience. Industries worldwide rely on well-designed forms and robust form handling mechanisms to collect, process, and store essential information effectively. By implementing best practices in form creation and management, businesses and organizations can improve operational efficiency, compliance, and overall user satisfaction. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.